Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video we are going to make the most amazing broccoli bacon salad. But before we do that, I need to throw a little shout out to Mike Palmer of Accolade Prints. Mike designed this t-shirt for me, which I think is pretty cool. He also has a number of other keto designs in his storefront, which I'm going to link to down below just in case you want one of these t-shirts or sweatshirts or bath mats, or basically you can get the logos printed on anything. But thank you, Mike, for this shirt. Now on to our recipe. We're going to start with 1 pound of broccoli florets broken into bite-sized pieces. Now, by that I mean your bite size, not my bite size, because we all know the size of bites I take. And we are going to blanch this broccoli. Now that's an optional step. You don't have to do it, but I highly recommend it. It does a few things for you. It's going to improve the texture, it's going to improve the taste, and mostly, in my opinion, it improves the color. Bring a pot of water to boil, then add your broccoli. Stir to make sure that they all get a good blanching. You can probably already see the color changing. We only need to do this for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then we'll remove this from the heat. Then we shock the broccoli either by running it under cold water or dumping it into an ice bath. We do this to stop the cooking process. The broccoli florets are going to hold on to a fair amount of water, which can really water down our sauce. So you can either put these in a strainer and shake them or let them sit, or we can use a salad spinner. As you can see, we got a fair amount of water out of there. In a bowl or large measuring cup, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, a teaspoon of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of sweetener. You can use Swerve, you can use Boca Sweet, you can use Lakanto. I prefer Boca Sweet. 2/3 cup of full fat sour cream. 2/3 cup mayonnaise. And the juice from half a lemon. We'll whisk this together until all the ingredients are combined. Then we'll combine our 1 pound of blanched broccoli, 1 cup of diced red onion, which is about what you'd get from half of a medium red onion. 4 slices of cooked and chopped bacon. You can also use bacon bits that you've crisped up. It would be about a 1/2 cup. And 1 cup of the cheese of your choice, shredded. I find that sharp cheddar works really well. A nice nutty Swiss works pretty well. You can use a white cheddar. Your call. Use a spoon to mix all of these together until they're evenly distributed. This is especially important for the cheese because we don't want that to clump all together once we add our sauce. And then we add our dressing. Gently fold in the dressing. Now if you want, you could serve this right away. But I find that spending the night in the fridge really takes the flavor to a whole nother place. So we'll cover with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge. Our salad has spent the night in the fridge. Let's give it a taste. That is so good. It is just such a great balance between sweet and tangy, a lot like a creamy coleslaw, but you've got that onion, you've got the cheddar, you've got the bacon. Now I realize this would have been a far better recipe to share with you in the middle of the summer, because this would be so good at a cookout or barbecue, but you weren't watching me this summer. But still, it's going to be just as good as a side dish or a salad for the holidays. So whip this up for whatever holiday you're about to celebrate, or put it in your saved videos and watch it again next summer. I will include the printable recipe with the macros down in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, click the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I release a new video. And thanks for watching.